Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought I'll make a tutorial video and get you with me. In this, I will make a mini calculator and I will show you the coding and designing. It has a very simple coding, just 4 to 5, and the designing is also basic. You can design it in your own way. I'll just show you the necessities. So without any further delay, let's get into the app. So first we'll type code.org. You will come to a screen somewhat like this. Your screen might be different as my screen has been signed in. So here will be option to sign in. You can press it. You can either create an account if you don't have one, or else you can just use whichever you have if you have it. Now, if you want to see your projects, you can press the projects over here. You can press your name and press my projects, or you can press create and view all projects. But for now, we'll press create and we'll go to app lab because we are making an app. So first I'll do the designing. You can do the designing according to you, but I'll just show you all the necessities. You can rename the project so that all the changes are saved. You can add a background color or image, whichever you prefer. After you're done with the background color, first we'll have to display a heading, so we'll take a label. We cannot take a text input. It is also used for typing, but in that, the one who is using the app can type, but in the label, only the user can type. So we'll take a label. We do not need to rename it because we won't require it in coding. We can just increase its size. The font size will increase later. We can just increase the box right now. And now if you want to change the text color, font, background color, font family, anything you can do. And now we'll add buttons because we will have to press the operations, then only it will work. So we'll add 4 buttons, one for addition, one for subtraction, multiplication and division. I'm only giving 4 operations because in daily use we need these only, and I'm making this app only for that use, for daily use, because the normal calculator have a lot of functions, so this app would be better. You can place it in any way. I've just placed as I wanted it. You'll have to rename this because we'll require this in coding. Now you can add a text or an image, whichever you want. I prefer adding an image. And the shape also you can do as you want. I'll make it in the circle shape. So for that we need the width and height and the border radius same. Now I'll upload the image. So for that you will come down where you found border radius. Over there you will find an option image. You can press choose. Just a second. Yeah. So now you can either find, if you can find it in icons, you can use that. And if you want to upload from Google, you can first download the image and then you can press my files and upload file. Also, if you want to give a link, you can go link to image and you can paste the link over here or the URL. Now in whichever button I want, whichever one, like the first one I want addition, so I'll press choose. For the second one, again I'll go choose. And if you want to change the background color to red or fall or whichever color, you can just do so. So all are done. Now we need to put a text input because now we want the use the one who uses the app to enter the numbers. So we need two text inputs because we want the person to enter the first number and the second number. Also, we'll have to enter a label for displaying the answer. So in the text input, we cannot write the text a label in which they can show. The labels will show screen. The numbers have put apart the text, so we'll just do it. And in the text input, you'll have to rename it first number. Make sure you put a dash after every word because over here you can't put a space so that you don't get confused between the words. Again, you write text input second number. Sorry. And in this label, don't forget to rename this one because this is a very important label. Label answer. Now you can increase the size of everything if you want, and the color also. And we'll remove text from here because it will get displayed on its own. Now you can just adjust all the things, all the elements. You can just adjust them as you want. Make this label as big as possible because the you don't know which number will the person enter, so it can be big. So you just make sure you do like this. So our designing is finally over. Now we'll go to code. The code is very simple. So our first code will be when the person presses the addition symbol. So firstly, I would like to tell that in this coding, when clicked, we just need the code when clicked. So when clicked means on event. So we'll use this code. We need it 4 times. So we'll just take 4 of them out because there are 4 functions. We need 4 of them. If you want more functions, you can add it. I'm showing only 4 because I want it a very simple and basic calculator for normal use. So now on event ID. ID means what, like when clicked what, so what, so when clicked button plus. And over here you can see click. If you press it, there are many options but we need click only, so we'll let it remain like this. What will happen when the button is pressed? The number from the first input and the second text input will be added and the answer will be displayed in the label answer box. So first you'll have to, after it is added, it will set. So first you'll take set text and keep it here. Now the ID, where will it set the text again? We will set in label answer, and what text? There we'll put the addition symbol, but here you will put it. And if you have took it out first, you can just drag it from here. And from what two numbers will be added, then we'll take get number. In both the sides we'll put get number. So like get number from ID, first from the first text input first number, and then text input. You can just drag it over here so that it is easy. Text input second number. So our code is basically when button plus is clicked, set the text in label answer, get number from text input first number, add it with get number text input second number. So first number and second number will be added and displayed in the answer label. So we'll just try it. We'll press run. We haven't given code for these three, so we will just try this one. A debug command will come here because we have added these three, but don't worry, there isn't any problem. If there would be a red symbol over here, then you would have to check your code. So for example, I enter 6 over here and I enter 4 over here and I press add. We'll get the answer as 10. You can try with any other number, for example 67 and 43, and the answer will be 110. Show blocks, reset. Again, I'll enter the same numbers 32 and 4, and we will try the division sign again. Yeah, we got it 8. So that is why please make sure while you write it, and if you want to share it with someone, you can press share over here. You can just press on the link, right click, copy, and wherever you want, for example anywhere, you can just go and paste it.
So guys, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and liked it. If you want a tutorial on any other app or you want me to make any other app, write it in the comment section below. Also, if you want to visit my website, go to this link. It is also visible in the description box. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.